Hi everyone, it's me Margot. Today I'm gonna unbox from Nina Beauty. This is the first time when I ordered from them. Box came pretty quick, over 2 weeks. I'm super happy with everything. Let's start. Primers. This is makeup remover, avocado face cleaner, lip gloss, another lip gloss. I have lip oils. Those are really super cute. Mushroom lip gloss. Lipstick. More lip glosses and lip oils, which I really like a lot. Those are lipsticks. Super cute. Super cute. Some free gifts. Glue eyeliner for the eyelashes and eyeshadows. Super cute. And I got 2 of those. This is loose powder, but look at this. Super cute, right? Okay, that's it. Everything is perfect, nothing broken. Super cute. Thank you so much. I love it.